Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bagels easy. To begin, gather your basic ingredients. 4 cups of bread flour, 1½ cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. This straightforward approach ensures delicious results without complex steps. We will cover mixing, kneading, shaping, boiling, and baking, making the entire process enjoyable and accessible for everyone. First, combine your dry ingredients in a large bowl. Then, gradually add the warm water and sugar, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for approximately 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and springs back slightly when poked. This step is vital for developing the gluten structure that gives bagels their characteristic chewiness. After the dough has risen for about 1 hour, gently punch it down and divide it into 8 equal portions. Each piece should weigh approximately 4 ounces. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to create a hole in the center, stretching it slightly. Next, boil the shaped bagels for 1 minute on each side in a large pot of simmering water containing 1 tablespoon of sugar. Finally, place the boiled bagels on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Remember to flip them halfway through to ensure an even golden brown crust on both sides. Once cooled, slice and enjoy your perfectly chewy, homemade bagels. They are wonderful fresh, or you can freeze them for a quick breakfast later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.